giving food in a very, very clean and neat place and clean and neat setup. We kind of started with this new cafe, which is right now near Alpha One Mall. The idea was every time when you come back to us, you'll ask what's new. And that's how it has been till now. Very recently, we've started with idli varieties as well. But while we were doing that, we come from different companies, and a lot of people have been working with us, and they've been associated with us, and they also like you guys, young people, they also would want to get started with something or the other. So they were third month of our startup, and there were inquiries of, sir, we would want to do this at our place in our city, and they still keep flocking in. Every second day there is somebody who comes up with the idea, sir, मेरे पास एक जगह है, I would want to get started with this. मेरे पास पैसे हैं, आप चालू कर दो, आप चलाओ. Keshav would understand this a lot. That's how people come and share, and that's where the thought of getting into franchising started. So there was this boy who was my territory manager in Surat. He came back saying, sir, आपने job छोड़ दी, मुझे भी छोड़नी है. That's like suicidal, but he said, I'm ready to do that, and I'm prepared to get into this business because I see that you guys are doing it well, and we would want to get started with it. So that's when we realized, why not make it a proper franchised model, and why can't we do an experimentation and then replicate it, something which Ismat ma'am was saying, that you need to replicate it, you need to give the same kind of quality. So to replicate and deliver identical experience in widespread geographies in span of 3 years. In last 6 months, we gave a deliberate break to our growth in terms of opening up our franchisee outlets. So while we were looking at a number in 3 years' time, when we started in 2012 or 13, we've gone low in terms of our ambitions, but we are still going stronger in terms of building the base. Where do we stand today, currently? In little over 2 years, first 2 years of experience or operations, we have 4 outlets operating, 1 self-owned, Ahmedabad 1, 3 franchised, 1 in Surat, Baroda and Rajkot. 1 franchisee outlet is already a profit-making SBU. Now, the simple thought process that everybody, each one of us, even when I was of the age 15, I've heard people talking, there's 50% margin in food business. So food business is the best business to be. 50% margin હોય, 50% નો ધંધો, which business today in the market gives you 50% margin? Not true. Not true. So anybody who is intending to get into the business, don't think that, oh, there's 50% margin. No, not true. But having said that, this model can give you faster returns if the product and the placement of the product is right. So I'm really very proud to share this, that Baroda outlet, so when I say 1 franchisee outlet, Baroda outlet actually became broken even in first 6 months time. Amazing experience that we had in terms of the success story there. People were really appreciating, they still do, and that is something which gave us a booster. Ki boss, ye to chal padi, hamari chal padi, na? This is something which can really work well for us. That's helped us getting our first year's revenue of 12 million, and this year, as Keshav said, we are looking at consolidated also South outlets put together, 2.5 crore is what we are looking at closing this March. How? I'll come back to that as well. This is something which is in short span of time we've been able to achieve for us. Burp and Zomato, everyone has heard of Burp and Zomato? Yeah? It's become a fad now to check out the place before going to any restaurant or even any other lifestyle place, to check on Burp and Zomato how they stand. You can even, if you guys are on your GPRS right now, you can check South Indian restaurant in Ahmedabad, and you will see So South at the top. So Burp and Zomato, we are top rated South Indian restaurant in food, South Indian food category in Ahmedabad. This, by the way, is amongst the 3,000 plus registered eateries on both these outlets. So that's something which we're really very proud of. And my partners will not like this, but let me share very honestly with you. Zomato, we have rigged only 3 ratings. All the other ratings have purely come from the customers. Yeah, we do proactively request our customers to rate us. So that's something which we do. That's part of our marketing strategy, if you want to call it. But we definitely say, sir, you've liked our food? Yes, please rate us on or write something about us on Burp or Zomato. So Zomato, we've rigged 3 out of, I think, 95 odd, and Burp 1 or 2. But the rest have genuinely come from all our customers. So that's something which speaks a lot about the kind of food that we have and the kind of experience that people have felt after having it. TripAdvisor is an internationally acclaimed travel site. We've been rated 4.5 stars there. That's something which is, I mean, people coming from inbound, as they call in travel industry. Inbound travelers, they visit TripAdvisor.com and they check what are the places to go around, see in Ahmedabad, what are the places to go around and have food at. We are rated 4.5 there, so that's something which really is very good. Best Catering Service Award, there's a show which happens every year, ACMA, so we were one of the caterers there and we got rated, and that again was the first year of our official operation, so it really gave us a big high. Every one of you have heard of Cityshore.com? Cityshore? Yeah. Cityshore, they conduct a public survey every year. I mean, they've started with it 2 years back. So last year, Innovative South Indian Cuisine Award came to So South. Again, a People's Choice Award. So this is something which we are really proud of. We are not going and bribing anybody to do this for us. This is people who voted for us, and it's all there on the website, on their Facebook page. The updates keep happening, so that's something which really talks a lot about us. And of course, finally, we all know Red FM Thappa. In fact, twice we've qualified for this. Of course, we've not won, but we're really gung-ho about it, that even in their innovative food category, they thought of taking our dessert dosa as one of the innovative food. That's something which is something which we're very proud of, innovation. So while Ismat ma'am was sharing her thoughts on innovation and how things have been innovated to match the customers and clients' expectation, I could really relate to it, because this is something which purely came from the customers' feedback. A small story. Since we are from corporates, a few friends of ours came from Reliance Mumbai. They were on their visit here in Ahmedabad, and they said, guys, we would want to catch up with you, we would want to see how your business is happening, so we'll come over and meet up with you. We said, sure, come over. They came at around 2:30, 3 o'clock to meet us, and they said, why don't you guys try our food? I said, nahi, बहुत खा लिया यार, अभी हम मिर्च मसाला से खा के आए हैं. So all of you who have been to Mirch Masala, I'm sure you would know that it's a stuffy food they serve, So कुछ नहीं खाया जाता. अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ मीठा होता खाने के लिए तो खा लेते, but otherwise no dosas, nothing at all. And we felt really bad, because that, and even now, if any one of you is coming over to my place and if I'm saying please have something, and if you say nahi pet bhara hua hai, I really feel disappointed, not because you're rejecting the food, but I'm feeling that you're missing out on that chance to eat something which is really different and unique. So I feel very bad about it. My partner felt very bad about it, and we said, yaar meetha khane ke liye kuch kyun nahi hai hamare paas. And while we were discussing this, while we were talking about this, one of our main chef, he heard about it and he said, sir, कुछ करते हैं? मैंने कहा कैसे कर सकते हैं? And my partner Vivek, he is a foodie, he said, यार ice cream का कुछ अगर serve कर सकें, if we can serve something in dosa, ice cream, something of that sort. So this guy, chef, he says, wait a minute, I'll bring something for you. And he got us made a cone out of dosa. And that's something which is freshly made, by the way. So in contrast to what you guys eat from Wadilal and have more. Whatever you eat at our place, the dosa cone, the dessert ice cream, that cone is freshly made. So he made that cone and he brought us and he said, sir, इसमें आप ice cream डाल दो, हो जाएगा. Amazing stuff. And then we kind of deliberated a little more on that, and we made the cone flavored. So how to make that cone flavored and all, we kind of thought of it and we made it flavored. So now we serve almost 12 flavors and 15 ice creams. So if any one of you is good in mathematics and who has heard and remember permutation and combination, can do the math and try and understand how many permutation combination of dosa with ice cream and flavor you can have. So that's something which is unique, which you will not find anywhere. Something which we are really proud of. So that's something which we kind of shown in Red FM. They got us into the category, but finally people didn't really vote as much for us. So that's what we have till now in terms of accolades and impressions. Okay, so since I was being told to talk a little about franchising, the genesis, as I said, was when one of our colleagues said that we would want to get started with this. So we started with our first franchisee outlet in Surat. While we signed Baroda and Surat simultaneously, but Surat started first and Baroda a little later in 2013. End of 2013 is when Baroda started. 2013 mid is when Surat started, and 2014 mid is when Rajkot started. So there are few things which we have learned over a period of time. While me, Vivek, we are management grads. We've learned this, what you guys are learning, even in PG what you guys are going to learn. So we've learned all that, but frankly after 12 years of our work experience, this is something which we had left behind. So franchising was not something which we really was on our top of the mind. What was on our top of the mind was every day in the evening we used to ask our teams, "Tumhara aaj kitna dhanda hua?" And beginning of the month you would sit and do planning for the month and all that. So that's something which we do, or we did for 12 and a half years. So franchising is something which we had totally forgotten. So whatever I'm going to share now is something which we have learned over a period of time. And I'm sure somewhere you'll be able to relate to what you guys would have read in your books, and something which is, this is something which is purely practical, something which you've learned from the market, from our partners and all. But in order to give that feel that yes, you are associated to someone who knows this business, who understands this business, because why would somebody invest money in So South brand, in spite of the fact that people like the food, we are best rated, we have accolades, etc. Why would somebody want to put money in So South brand when there is a Jai Bhavani, or when there is a Subway, or when there is any other brand like, let's say, Sankalp? It's known brand, or Havemore for that matter. Havemore has gotten into franchising in a big way in last 7-10 years. So why would somebody want to put in money in So South? So there are few things which we kind of jotted down, and this is what we also share with our prospective franchisees. First and the foremost thing, if you guys need money, we'll help you to get that. Because we are from industry, we have good relations with bankers and different bankers. So it's not that we know only one bank we've been banking with and we'll get you financial assistance from. No, we know of different bankers. We'll help you get financial assistance. This is something which is very critical, because a lot of people would want to do business, but the minute you say X amount required for this project, oh, he's not going to call you back again. So we tell them that if there is a requirement of financial assistance, we're there to help you. We did that with our Rajkot franchisees. We've come up with a few audit processes, and one of them also is that of checking on the revenues and profits which happen on a month-to-month basis in all the franchisee outlets. So how they are managing their money, very important. Baroda broken even in 6 months' time. Ahmedabad, the franchisors were struggling for first 2 years. So why? Because we were so busy in thinking about how to do business or how to develop business that we're not thinking about the finance part. But when we got into it, we realized that, boss, you can't let that happen to your franchisee. I mean, you can manage, because whom are you going to blame ultimately? You're going to blame yourself. But franchisee has got you to blame if he is not able to make any money. So we help them understand this. We say that we'll help you get broken even in first 28 to 34 months. That's something which we are really confident about. We have a plan, action plan for first 6 months and then a year, and it has all what to promote when, and what are the ways of promoting things, and what are the marketing activities that you can do. So we have a plan of action. So we work closely to monitor ratios of cost to bring the best and faster profitability. Initial setup. So we have a designers team who's going to be there helping you set up your kitchen in the right manner, and who's going to help you set up your restaurant in the right manner. That's something which is very, very critical. We never knew that. This is where you make losses. We made our kitchen, and then one of our friends' friend who's in this business, we came to know about him, and he's kind of a consultant, and we called him. He said, why don't you come out to our place? We are making a new small joint here in Vastrapur. And when he came, he saw the first reaction he gave is, who's your architect, who's your designer? We said, we don't have any designer. Dost hai, architect hai, we didn't have too much of money, so we were kind of trying to save cost there. He said, boss, your kitchen is not rightly done. You need to have certain angles taken care of in your kitchen. It's not done. So when you are into restaurant business, you realize that you need to have your kitchen angling done, your flooring has to be done in a certain way. It's not done like that. You can't have this kitchen. If you want to continue with it, but I would strongly recommend, you can't manage the show with this. So we had to break it. We lost a few thousand there. We had made the kitchen, we broke it, and we redid it again. So it sounds kind of easy, but it's really critical when you're talking about each and every penny. And that to your investors, your partners, your franchisees penny. We have a vendor team, central vendor team. We've gone ahead and done costing with them, negotiated costing with them pretty much. So we can assure the franchisee that the cost at which you're going to get this stuff is going to be the best or near best. I mean, if you add on a little bit of transportation, but otherwise near best. IT support is something which is very, very critical. I'm sure a lot of you would have known this. All the franchise outlet in Subway, when there is a business done, each and every business gets accounted for, and end of the day, these guys there somewhere in the world, they know what Ahmedabad Prahlad Nagar outlet has done, what Ahmedabad, this outlet has done. And that is something which gives you a lot of confidence about what's happening in your outlets, and it also gives you a lot of control over what's happening over there. So this is from the franchisor's point of view. From the franchisee's point of view, सर हमने 100 किलो आटा लिया था और हमने 200 से बेचे हैं. अब उसमें आप कैसे बताओगे कि हमारा कॉस्ट एक्स, बिकॉज फूड कॉस्ट कांट गो बियॉन्ड अ सर्टेन परसेंटेज इन योर बिजनेस. सो आप कैसे बताओगे सर कि हमारा फूड कॉस्ट इतना परसेंट से कम होगा या ज्यादा होगा, या कैसे कम कर सकते हैं, आप कैसे बताओगे? सो वी हैव अ सॉफ्टवेयर which tells him he just needs to feed in the input. What is the inventory that he has done on first of the month, and whenever subsequently during the month he has his inventory put in, he just plugs in the data that 100 kg of atta bought, as many kgs of cheese bought, and by end of the month we just see how many stuff he has sold, different category of dosas, idlis, etc. And we are able to tell him, boss, in order to sell you this much, in order to sell this much quantity of dosas and idlis, you should have spent this much quantity of atta. Have you or have you not? If you have, very good, you are in control of your business. If not, you're not in control of your business. Something is going wrong. So IT support, very critical. We give that support to them. We have a software designed for us. Staff and human resource is something which is very critical in food business. You can't, especially in the kind of food that we sell, it's not automated. I cannot pick up a guy from any place and tell him, boss, तुम आ जाओ, मैं तुम्हें 15 दिन का training दूंगा, तुम ready हो जाओगे. It's not like making a Subway sandwich or a McD burger. No, we would love to be there in terms of the automation, in terms of the stuff that we make, the way it is done. But dosa is something which you all know can't go to that level really eventually. So you need to have people who are from this business, who are trained right, and who are taken care of right. One of my outlet, and that's one blot which we had to close down one outlet. It's a Maninagar outlet in Ahmedabad had to be closed down. So I have not mentioned that fact. So 4 outlets running, one has been closed down. But the main reason why we had to close down that place was because we had attrition of 150% in a year's time. That's like changing your entire team 1.5 times. Not good at all. Imagine somebody coming and teaching you sales management for first week or 2 weeks, and then there is another guy who's coming and teaching you the same subject for another 2 weeks, and then there's a third guy who's coming and teaching you. I mean, that's something which is crazy, right? So you can't do that. And if you're not able to manage your team,